Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your affiliate relationships with FlexOffers, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your affiliate relationships with FlexOffers, begin by logging into your FlexOffers account. Navigate to your dashboard where you can view your current affiliates. Take time to analyze your existing affiliate partnerships. Identify which affiliates are performing well and which ones may need improvement. Research potential high-performing affiliates that align with your niche. Use the FlexOffers search feature to browse through affiliates. Evaluate their commission structures, promotional materials, and audience reach. Reach out to promising affiliates to express your interest in collaboration. Craft personalized messages that highlight mutual benefits. Negotiate terms that are favorable for both parties. Ensure that you articulate clear expectations and goals for the partnership. Regularly communicate with your affiliates throughout the campaign. Monitor their performance using the FlexOffers analytics tools. Be prepared to make adjustments based on real-time data. Consider running exclusive promotions or bonuses to incentivize top affiliates. Foster relationships by engaging with affiliates beyond just transactions. Share insights and feedback to help them optimize their promotions. Attend FlexOffers webinars to stay updated on best practices and trends. Leverage FlexOffers support for additional resources and guidance. Continuously reassess your partnerships to ensure they align with your business goals. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your affiliate relationships with FlexOffers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.